In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a sub bullet point in Google Docs. I have this list and I want to make this item to be indented. Essentially, it's becoming a sub bullet point. So to do that, just place the cursor at the very beginning of the item, which means it's going to be here. And then you can go to this menu that says increase indent, or of course you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and square bracket. And this will give you a nice indentation. You can also use the keyboard key tab to do basically the same. You can add as many indentation as you like, but my recommendation is to not have too many of them because you don't want to make it a document to be overly complicated. So 2 or 3 level dips is probably good enough. And let me add the same setting for this bullet point. So how to actually go back to the main list? If you actually press enter, it will stay on this sub or the nested bullet points. How do you go back to the main list? Well, it's simple. Once you get here, you just need to press the enter key again. So it will go back to the previous sub bullet point. And then eventually, when you press enter again, it will go back to the main list. So that's how you can add a sub bullet point in Google Docs. I hope that helps.